Good morning, everyone. My name is Chico Desta Pranata, student ID number 2461200100038. Today, I am going to present essays and English Management Principles, the foundation of organizational success. I would like to begin with a form question from Peter Drucker. Management is doing this right. Leadership is doing the right things. This quotes perfectly. So why management principles are important in an organization? Let me start with a thought-provoking question. Why do some organizations success well, other why? The answer lies in the application of some management principles. My thesis is this: management principles are the essential foundation of organizational success. In this presentation, I will cover three main points. First, the evolution of management from classical to modern approach. Second, the four main management functions: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. And three, the reference the 10th principle in today's business world. Definition and history. Management has been studied for over a century. Three major figures shape a modern understanding of it. First, Henry Fayol, who lived from 1841 to 1925. He ideated 14 principles of management and defined management as planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. Second, Freddie Taylor, known as the father of scientific management, he focused on efficiency, standardization, and systematic work process. Third, Max Weber, who developed the concept of business strategic management based on hierarchical authority, clear roles, and impersonal relationship. Over time, management has evolved from scientific management in the 1900 through classical administration and the human relationship movement, all the way to the modern management approach we use today. Planning and focusing. Now let's move on to the phrase management function planning. Planning is the process of setting objectives and determining the best course of action to fulfill them. It is the starting point of all management activities because without a clear plan and organizing has a direction. There are three types of planning. The first is strategic planning. This focuses on the long-term direction of the organization, usually 3 of the 5 years or more, and is set by top management. For example, Apple's version less digital innovation worldwide. The second is strategic planning, which covers 1 to 3 years and is handled at the department level. For example, a marketing campaign designed to capture new market segments. The third is operational planning. This is intern and day-to-day. For example, a weekly production schedule created to meet customer orders. Effective planning reduces uncertainty and enlightens team effort to share goals. Organizing focus. The second management focus is organizing. Organizing means arranging relationships and tasks to have organizing goals through clear structure and proper direction. 3 are 4K element of organizing where organizational structure is defines the hierarchy roles and reporting relationship within a company. Common types include functional, divisional, metric, and flat structure. Second definition of labor. This means breaking works into specialist tasks which improve both efficiency and expertise among employees. Third, delegation of authority, assigning specific tasks to employees along with the responsibility and the power to carry them out. And fourth, coordination ensured that all departments and teams work in the same common objective. Leading of focus. The third foundation is leading influencing and motivation people the FL organizational goals through effective communication and information. Inspirative. There are three major leadership theories. The first is the trends theory, which believes that leaders are born with specific qualities such as charisma, intelligence, and deafness. The second is the belief theory, which goes that leaders are modern now brown through their action and behold this theory is called between text-oriented and people-oriented leadership styles. The third is the Centennial theory defined by C and Backcroft, which states that effective leadership must adapt to the situation and the readiness level of the followers. Beyond the theories, motivation and communication are also feature a meso and of the needs help leader understand driver employees level and final leader play a major role in building organizational culture. Companies like Google and Netflix are perfect example. Their strong culture have been proven to drive outstanding performance. Controlling focusing. The fourth and final management focus in controlling. Controlling means monitoring actual perform against set standard and taking corrective action to keep the organization of the right track. The control process consists of four steps. First, set the standard. Second, measure actual perform. Third, compare the result against the standard. And fourth, take corrective action whenever there a gap. There are also three types of control. Preventive control is the apply before the attack begins. A great example is a prime-phase aircraft safety check. Corrective control happens during the process in instance real team quality inspection and production line, and feedback control is a review done after the task is complete, such as financial audit, a customer satisfaction survey. Isolation to code the four management function planning, organizing, lighting, and controlling. Air display intercalates and mutually reinforcing. You cannot fully separate one from the other because together they form the complete become of the successful organization. My thesis is Raifimer's management principles remain highly relevant in the modern era. However, they must constantly adapt to technological experiment and the chaos of globalization. I will close with one final quote from the Peter Drucker. The best way to predicate the future is to create it. I express our study, understand, and apply this management principle, whether in future career or organization or even our daily life. That is end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I am open for any question.